Devil's Tower after going around Devil's Anus. And trip we probably will never do again by choice. But something you will only see here. A couple of baggers, about 35, 40 miles of back roads, literal back roads. Just to see the worst example of 3 points there ever was. But hey, we did it just for you. We'll see you at Devil's Tower. Hay all over the place. You ever seen that much hay in your life?
That's crazy.
Moving in neutral. Stop in this gas station, let the 4 girls cool off for a minute. Something to drink. You want to just top them off?
Yep.
We made it back into Wyoming.
Woohoo.
A whole lot better than the first round.
Yeah.
Way to Devil's Tower. Elevation 3763. We're on about 1,854 for me. How many miles you been, Cliff?
125 today, maybe?
I'm at 118.
Really?
Yeah.
35. I got 120, sorry.
Yeah, that's right. It just seemed like we were doing another 50 miles on that dirt road.
Golly.
Still beautiful out. We're about 77 degrees and just chilling down the road. See you when we get there. Through my Wyoming, all the way to Devil's Tower is just absolutely stunning. It's hard to see more livestock. Seems like the further over we came, but wow, it's just amazing. Beautiful country here. Trying to figure out what that extra set of fencing does for all these big old bulls.
Wow.
That dude's ready to get out, won't he?
Yeah.
Awesome thing about being out here and just rolling is, you know, getting here before everybody else does. You can just kind of roll on, but it's also, these are 70 mile an hour, 65 mile an hour roads. You just roll. Absolutely beautiful.
Yeah, it's almost like we just, nobody on the roads but us. It's just for us today.
Yeah, 100%. Man, it's pretty up here.
Yes, it is.
I guess I should remember this, but I don't remember how beautiful it is. Yellowstone Ranch.
Land for sale.
Hey, I want to turn around down here and go back and take a picture.
Okay.
Is that stupid or what? Well, we're just heading down to the Yellowstone Ranch. Heading on to Devil's Tower. Right here, it builds you a nice sized ranch.
Oh, yeah.
Do some hunting, fishing, biking.
35 acres.
That's about perfect. When we get where we're going, you can do like 80% in like 15, 20 minutes with these. And I got this thing's a fast charger, so it'll charge pretty quick. It'll be good enough to get us through the rest of the day, I'm sure. I just thought that was odd. That's weird.
Gorgeous.
Amazes me that this state don't have more people in it.
Do you know what the population is?
Nope. But I don't see enough houses and stuff around to say it was very populated.
Oh yeah.
I mean, you know what I mean? I'm sure the big cities got a lot of people, but ours being out here, golly.
Well, I'm wondering when we sell those farms on that 75 miles of gravel road, wondering how many people live at those farms, you know?
Well, I'll tell you, several of those little spots that we seen out there, the place didn't look livable. Like, I'm not sure. I'm not sure all of them had people in them. That was just like a stop in case you had an emergency. You had to spend a night on your farm.
Right.
So I don't know. I mean, like I said, for me, I don't know.
Well, I'm sitting there looking at all the hay, all the cattle, all the stuff they got to keep up.
Yeah.
They got to have a cruise.
A couple places up there on the top of that hill.
Wow. What a view.
Yep. Not sure that's where I'd want to have to get up and come down in the winter, though. I don't know what it's like down here. Look at that lumber. Or, I mean, you can just smell it. You're not going to be able to smell it on the video, but you can smell that wood.
That's what she said.
What she said.
Devil's Tower.
I think we're like 10 miles from it, roughly. And what it looks like over a mountain through the woods and the grandma's house. All this land out here, man, red, brown, green.
Yeah.
I mean, it's just crazy, right? Coming from the East Coast, and we got mostly red clay and most of the middle of our state. And you got sand at the beach, and you got mountains, but you don't ever really see a mixture of everything. All kind of separated in geographical locations, but here, it's like you see a little bit of everything. Creeks running down the way. I mean, it's just beautiful land. I think we've said it enough, but it is. There she is. What?
Marshall Tucker band song on Can't You See? I see. Yes, I see it.
For sure.
I remember seeing a thing on years and years ago. I don't know if you ever remember Montgomery Gentry. It was a country band.
Yeah, I know Montgomery.
And they showed them with their tour bus, and they had a big trailer, and they carried toys in it. They carried four-wheelers and Harleys. They'd go out They got to a town, they go out riding the Harleys.
I've been to say it's better than getting in trouble.
Yeah.
Look at all that. Wow. Again, video just doesn't necessarily do it justice. Little restaurant out here. Kickstand spring broke.